First thing you're going to do is log on to Prezi.com. From here, you're either going to log in with an existing account or you're going to create an account. If you create an account, you're going to have 3 different options that you can choose from. Standard, which is $7 a month, Plus, which is your most popular, that's $19 a month, or the Premium for $59 a month. However, if you are a student or a teacher, the cost can be dropped down to having free for our Standard, the most popular, which is the Plus, for $7. And if you are part of the education team, you need to contact Prezi. I have already created an account, so I'm going to log into mine. And here you will see the home page that you will be brought to. As you can see, I already have a few different templates started. For this presentation, I'm going to show you how to create one. You will hit New Presentation, and it'll bring you to this page here. You're going to choose a template that's going to best fit the needs that you need for your assignment. You can see over here the different categories that you can choose from. For this presentation, I'm going to look at this one. To make sure it's something that I would like to do, I can explore the template. This lets me see what functions are available for me to use. If it's something that you don't think you would like, you can just hit the X and continue finding another template that you would like to use. Once you discover that you want to use a template, you're just going to hit Use this template. From here, you're going to be able to see your template that you've chosen on slides to the left, and some recommendations for a background may appear on the right. To edit anything, you're just going to double click on the text to be able to type the title you would like. If you would like the text to be just one line, you can just move the box out. You can also relocate the box wherever you would like it to be placed at. When moving it, you're going to see some yellow lines to let you know when it's centered to make everything even within your presentation. When you have the text box open, you may also change the font, decrease your size or increase the size of the text. You can change the background color, change the color of the letters themselves. You can also change the alignment. You can center it, make it towards the right. You may also do the bullet list, or decrease your indentation, or increase the indentation. Animations are also available as well. If you would like to, you're just going to hit Add. When you would like to zoom into one of your topics, just click on it and hit zoom in. From here you'll be able to adjust and add any information you would like to add. For changing a picture, simply just click, right click, and you're going to hit replace image. You just choose an image that you would like to replace it with. And you can move the picture as needed as well. If there is a photo that you would like to download from your computer, simply click the download button and you'll be able to pull up the pictures you have saved on your computer. When you want to save your information, you are going to go up to the top left-hand corner and hit Save. Or, as you can see, you can hit Control S. When you do that, you may exit out of your tab, and you're going to see that your presentation has been saved. And you can just continue where you left off at.